This is a complaint video. I have Windows 10 and recently I did I didn't do it, but Windows did an update. And number one, it broke my monitor resolution. And number two, it broke my printer drivers. So it was either Future Update 10, version 1803, or this cumulative update, which caused my resolutions and printer drivers to fail. And so I have an Intel graphics, integrated graphics, and I can't get the 1680 by 1050. I have to go over here on the left side and create custom resolutions. And after the update, it erased my custom resolution, which was annoying, but I could deal with that. The other thing though was with the printer. When I went into the printer, there was nothing wrong with my 1102W printer, so it seemed. I went into manage and I tried printing a test page, nothing happened. I went into run the troubleshooter and it said couldn't find any problems. Eventually I removed the printer by selecting it and removing it, and when I tried adding the printer again, it said it was missing the driver, so I had to go through the whole process of reinstalling the printer drivers. And so Microsoft, if you're going to create a Windows update, please check it, please. Had I not been more computer savvy, and a regular person would have been scratching their head. So that's my complaint video.